Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and it is time for some purple post. So you may notice, compared to my last few unboxings, this box is quite a bit wider. So this is one of, and I do have a couple, but this one is today's. This is one of Diamond Art Studios Chart to Art paintings, of which they now have quite a few. If you saw my unboxing of last year's Christmas one, you'll know what sort of concept this is. I'm trying to get in it now. There we go. There we go. I'm getting in. So, this is how they arrive. And these, I love them. I love them. This one, Megan actually wants to do. And because I have a second one, I'm going to allow her. But in it, you get a chart to art box. You also then get your drills and your canvas. So here are all the drills for this one. We have some ABs in here for definite. Yes, we have 2, 4, 6, 7 different ABs. So I can see some green, some yellow, some white. And there is more than likely, well, there is definitely more in there as well. But these have, frankly, an amazing concept. It takes the concept very similar to my Heaven and Earth design that I am about to start a fresh one on a Thursday. On my Thursday big project. It takes that concept and then mixes it in. Some of them mix it in, some of them don't. But this one mixes it in with your regular diamond painting. So I like this concept. I've not seen, the last one I did was purely a blank canvas just with lines to divide up the sections, whereas this one has like a whole frame around it, which is fantastic. I absolutely love it. So you have your black and white symbols for your frame and you follow that along just like a regular diamond painting. Where it gets interesting and different is these sections of blank. So you do get all your stickers that you need. We have 32 different colours in this one. Now these are only available in square, because if you pop round on these blank ones, you will have white gaps. So this one is a 45 by 50 centimetre square drill. You can choose to have a toolkit with it or not. I never choose to have the toolkits because I don't need them. I use my own trays and my own pens. So you can do this a couple of different ways. You can do the pictures as you're going along, or you can do them after you've done all your frame, or you could do the pictures first and then do your frame afterwards. You just, of course, would need to make sure that you cover the sticky bits. So this is like a normal diamond painting. This is similar to a normal diamond painting, and your diamonds are, of course, the same. The symbols match up to the DMC numbers. This is where you get to the fun part. So it does have instructions inside, but basically each envelope contains a chart, and these are interchangeable. So it does say inside the box whether they need to be in a particular place or not. So some of their chart to arts, you need to do it in a particular order because they do actually connect together and make an overall picture. And some of their chart to art are separate images, so therefore you can put them wherever you want. They do chart them in a particular order. So it does say here, select any door on the canvas and fill in by using the pattern on the chart. Each chart is the same size and will fit any of the doors. And they did it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So they've done it across. So day 1 would go here, day 2 there, etc. But you can interchange this one, so you can put them wherever you want. Now, these charts do contain spoilers. So while I am going to show you the concept, I am not going to pull out the full chart, because especially on camera, you will be able to see, because you're looking from a distance, you will be able to see the whole thing. So just to show you, it does confirm it's Diamond Art Studio UK. It does confirm that it's day 1, same as the sticker. Turn it round a bit. It does then have a copy of the chart as well, which can be really handy, especially if you are working on your canvas, maybe on an easel. You're over on day 1. You have got your schematic over here, but it's handy that it is straight here on the paper too, so that you can check where you're going. And then if I turn this round, again, I don't want to show too much. So if we go across the top, you can see for this one, we have a row of Y all the way across the top. First row, really, really easy if you start from the top. Is it the same at the bottom? A little bit different at the bottom. So you would follow this pattern. So this top right corner goes on this top right corner square. So in the instance of this day 1, you would put the symbol Y all the way across the top row. And then the next row, you actually have 3 of another symbol, and then the rest of it is the symbol Y. So you can follow it row by row or little square by little square. You can mark them up, whichever way you prefer to do it. But the idea is that you will copy this onto here. It does take longer than a normal diamond painting, but they're really, really fun to do. They're so much more fun. So let me pop that one back in, because I'm not doing spoilers here. It's not about spoilers. They do ask that you don't share photo of your progress on social media, just without doing a clear spoiler warning and burying your photos in the comments. And that's just because, you know, they now have, there is now 4, I think, on the website. One of them is the pre-order for 2024, so that one is upcoming. Pre-order's closed, sorry, but there will be stock when that order comes in. But there are 3 that are available to purchase now. So there is the Christmas kit from last year. That one just had lines to divide up. I've already done it, so I can't show it you. Loved it. But yeah, it has lines to divide each section up, and then it has a chart for every single square. 24 different charts. They also have this one, which is 12 days of Spookmas. So you can take your little hint from there, and which I think is why Megan has turned around and said, I want to do that one, Mum. Then there is also Floral Surprise, which I will be doing as an unboxing soon, because I also want to do one. And then, as I say, there's the 2024 Christmas one that is coming soon. So pre-orders for that have already been taken, but they do have stock to go on the website as well. So when that comes in, that will be available. But yeah, I really, really like this concept. I can see there's a nice pattern on the framed border. There is some of the ABs are definitely in this border. I can see them. I can't see any of the white, but of course that will be on the charts. But yeah, let's have a quick look at the ABs in this one, especially because I'm not going to get my mitts on it anytime soon. Unless it really frustrates Megan, but I doubt it. she will enjoy the challenge. So I'm trying to keep it semi-tidy. Okay, so we have a few 666 in AB. We have a few 318s in AB. Just a few, not too many, as you can see by the numbers in the packets. We also have 702 AB, so that's a green. And then, oh, here's the rest. So we have 704 AB, so there's quite a bit of that. 743 AB, which is this sort of orange, and then we have a pale yellow and a 5200. So they're all your ABs up to there. And as you can see, we have quite a bit of orange, which you'd sort of expect with Spookmas. Do we have a lot of black? We have 2 blacks, but then we also have quite a bit of blue and quite a bit of green mixed in on that. So, Spookmas. Very interested to see what these pictures are. I have not had any sort of sneak peek of this one or of the other one that I have to unbox. So it is going to be very much a surprise as these charts get done. So this one is £56. It all depends on size of canvas, amount of special drills, etc, etc. But you do get everything shown here, and if you need a toolkit, you can get a toolkit. But if you don't need one, then let's all do that little bit to save collecting stuff that we just don't need. I have so many toolkits that come from other companies that automatically include them, that just float around until I find somebody that I can pass them on to, or some school or something that has use for them. So yeah, you get all 12 days in this one. Say all days are different, but you do get all 12 days worth of charts. And yeah, I just absolutely love the concept. So I'm kind of gutted, even though Halloween isn't so much me, Christmas is definitely me. I just do them for the pure fun. For the pure fun of them, I love doing a mini chart painting, and the fact that it's sort of a mystery mixed in. I love this idea. I love this idea. So yeah, I'll pop a link to the chart to art. So from a chart to art, I will pop a link for them all down below, so that you can have a look. As say, the Woodland Winter's Tale, the Advent one for this year, they will be announcing on social media when that one is available for limited amounts for purchase, and of course anybody that's pre-ordered will get theirs. But yeah, try something a little bit different and see how you like it. I will unbox the floral one very soon, so if you do want to keep an eye on that, out for that one, I will pop that video up as soon as I can, because I don't want it to sell out before I get the video up. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.